Hi, and welcome to the world's quickest boat course. This, of course, is a parody. Hi, and welcome to the shortest boating course on Earth. Yes, in a matter of minutes, we will give you all the knowledge that you need to avoid incidents like this. There are two primary steps that you can apply to avoid what you just saw. The short course comes with an examination at the end, which you can complete and get your own unofficial and perhaps illegal boater's certificate. First, a bit of valuable knowledge that's unlike cars, boats have no brakes. For practice, try driving around town without using your car brakes. You'll see it's quite difficult. Because of that, we advise that you exercise extreme caution when approaching the dock or anything else for that matter. The second item on our short boating course is this: boats steer from the stern. You can practice this by driving your car backwards while not using the brakes. See what I mean? So, that was easy. You have to now complete the world's shortest boating course. Upon successful completion of the examination, which follows shortly, and getting a score of over 50%, there's only 2 questions, I will send you this certificate. It's a certificate of completion. The email address to get it follows near the end of the video. So, the first examination question: which part of the boat moves when the tiller or wheel is turned? Is it 1, the bow or the pointy end, the stern, the other end? Nothing happens. The boat's got to be in motion is number 3. And number 4 is I don't know. Okay, so mark those questions carefully, and we'll move on to the second and last examination question. Do boats have brakes? Answer number 1, yes. Answer number 2, no. Answer number 3, I'm unsure. Or number 4, I use other people's boats to stop. Okay. Now, before claiming your certificate, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Below is the email address to claim your bogus certification. Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.